Hey guys, Gabrielle Eichel, who makes great videos here on YouTube, left a comment asking me what is it that I use to protect my hair at night when I'm talking about this buff thing. So here it is. It's really just a braid sock, a tube you can put over your head. It's generally open at both ends. I actually added a snap because I don't like it to be open at both ends. And then because this part is too tight for me, I actually sleep with the other side on my head. So to put this on, I of course unsnap it here, and then I go ahead and start from my chin and put it down like so. Now it's around my neck, as you can see, and then you just pull it up. Of course, it may be easier to do this after you've removed your makeup, like so. And then I just snap it shut at the top. And then you are ready to go to sleep. And I'll show you what it looks like when I take it down in the morning. Here we are the next morning. This is actually pretty comfortable to sleep with because I sleep with my head on the side like this. So all I have to do is pull it off, refluff a little bit. Gotta pat these parts down. Give the old rock star headbang. And we're good to go. This works best with wash and goes, but as you can see, it works with this as well. Any wonky pieces, I can just either respray with water or repin with bobby pins. There are a lot of bobby pins holding this together right now. And that's how you do it, sleeping with the buff to protect your hair.